Alright, so last night we got some night clips, but then cops got called. We had a skedaddle. It was fun and all, but we're back again next day. You guys like the POV shit? I personally like it too. But we're about to see what's up right now. It looks like ice over here, so.
Hey, what do we call this place though?
I don't know.
This is a strange man spot right here.
Strange man skid pad.
This is where he almost died.
Hella slicky. Turn down a little bit. Perfect. Bro, this shit's like butter here.
I didn't know it was there. That was third. Why did you feel all the short?
I don't know.
I think you did kick it back in first, guys, though. Or not?
I don't think so.
Try third, see what happens.
Like started in third? Like started in third?
Try start in third. See if it flicks. It's so easy. Oh yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Too short. I mean too long.
Too long, huh? You have to be flying. You have to be flying, no?
Yeah, bro, it's icy here. Try one more. It's icy here though. It's like I have to be like zero throttle and just let the body roll, just fucking just let the momentum, yeah. Cause it just skates. It skates here.
What's over there? Never.
Call it the skate rink. The strange skate rink.
There we go. Yeah, como lo hace el güey en el Beamer. Like how it holds it. There you go.
That was fun. I don't know if the leaves are gonna fuck me up exiting. Fuck it though. Found this cool little roundabout spot. I've hit it before, but about to see what it do.
Camera. Oh, it's a security. You're a geyser, why you do that? You got scared, boo. That boo ended up getting scared. Alright, we gotta head out,
Yeah?
Yeah, he's calling the cops. He's calling the cops for that one. Boy, dude. I was like, touch his ass, smack that boo.
Should we head out or just hit this one once?
Yeah, we'll hit this one and we'll head out.
That's hella funny.
That is hella funny, guys.
The leaves, bro. The leaves be fucking you up right here. These leaves are hella slick.
Yeah, be careful.
Nah, we'll be out. Should be out already.